show them certain examples of that. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just opening the persona profile.
Now, this is one of the crucial steps in design thinking process, where till now we have gone through this process of what is the problem that I want to work with. Still not very clear. And now we have shifted to understand who our user is. For whom am I designing this product or service? Or I will design the product or service, right? So this is how one of the murals called as persona profile. All of your groups have it. Okay. To put one person's name, any one person. Okay, if you want to have multiple personas, that's also fine. Let's say, in this case, I don't remember. क्या बोले थे उनका नाम? जो
Savant.
today Savant. Yes, put the name of Savant, and then you can actually go to left hand side here, Girish. In Google search में find out a farmer. फार्मर नहीं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, या फार्मर, इंडियन फार्मर, टमाटो फार्मर. Okay, can you take one of those happy photos and put it tomato farmer, Indian tomato farmer? Yeah, that's fine, that's good. That's good. Okay, put it here. So it gives you a name to the face. You can decide it. It's just for us to use it. We are not. Now go down. Go down. Yes. What you're talking about is, what do you think about this person? You've spoken to him. You've spoken to people like him. Remember, actually go back, Girish. Don't call him Savant. What you're creating is a fictional character. A persona is a fictional character. Let's call him, I'll use one of my friends' names, Shailesh. So Shailesh is fictional. You are creating that persona, a fictional representation of the kind of people they're talking about. Remember, personas, if you're talking to all farmers, become one persona. But you're talking to a farmer and you're talking to restaurant owners, they are two different personas. Okay? The restaurant owner is another persona, the farmer is another persona. Okay, and if you've spoken to Savant, who is both a restaurant owner and a farmer, divide them into two. You are not worrying about one person. You have spoken to many people, or your group has spoken to many people. You are jointly creating a fictional character. It's called as a persona. In that persona, just go back and say, think about, what are the things has he said, and you think that he displays. What is his attitude towards life, towards farming, towards what he wants to accomplish? Go down. What has he actually said something, or one of the things that you can collate and put it in that say thing, that chat ka jo symbol hai. What is his goals in life? What is gender description? Okay. I will show you some of the, hold on, Girish. I'm trying to create for them some idea. Now, this is a good set of personas. Remember, personas can be very, very detailed. And that's the idea of the iterative process comes in. Initial block, you have some idea, but this is just a class, right? When you actually do it, you spend months on this, trying to understand what is the person like. I have to start sharing.
I'm stopping my share.
Yeah, please. There's a group actually who done reasonably small, short profiles. They are called D Corp. Okay, and I found them on the internet. I thought it's very good. So this is a persona of a farmer. Raghunath is a 55-year-old farmer, quit school post 11th standard to take care of the farm, owns 12 acres of farmland, and is the key decision maker on what to grow. Enormous tacit knowledge, but lacks knowledge about new developments. uses phone to receive calls and reads SMS but does not send any. Functionally illiterate and can read words in mother tongue. Aspires for his children to go to school and city, but also worried about future of his farm and values. Similarly, they have created another Prasad Vittal, and it's a completely different profile. You only have to create one persona. Okay, don't try to create multiple personas. Prasad Vittal is a 29-year-old farmer, studied BSc in nearby college, works on the farm with father, uncle, or an elder, open to knowing about new developments, fairly tech savvy, aspires to upgrade phone with internet and touch capabilities, literate and comfortable with mother tongue. Obviously, this particular personas have been developed thinking about mobile phones, which is why they are kind of asking some questions about mobile phone, and that is what they are putting it here. Okay. Now, for a completely different persona, this is a persona of a vendor, and his name is Baburav Jadhav. Village vendor, owns a retail store, education BSc, and has been selling seeds, fertilizers, pesticides for 15 years. Strong network with agents from companies and government officials to find out about effective solutions. He is the sole advisor for many farmers. Often visits farms and meets farmers and stays updated about crop conditions. On the lookout for improving business and often sells goods at the behest of the company to increase profits. Okay, so and then a couple of things: role in concept, provide solutions, accountability. Don't worry about that. What I want you to do, Girish, can you keep now share?
Yeah. If you can stop your share.
Well, I don't know how to do that. Okay. What I want you to do now is create a persona, a fictional character called Shailesh, and think about all the things that you can say about him reasonably confidently. Remember, this is an act of imagination. Okay, and in the real world, actually, you do a lot of research. Now we don't have the time. With your interviews, with your innate understanding of how it happens, from what you have seen, now start populating. What is his general description is demographics. How old is he? How many people does he have in the family? What does he do for a living apart from what the current work he's doing? How much will be his annual income? Etc. Etc. It's demography. Right? Where does he live? What kind of house does he have? Does he have a thatched house? Does he have a cemented house? So think about, especially in relation to the problem that you have. General description, attitude towards life, goals in his life. Okay, what is it? What has he told you that is interesting? Then use a chat box for that. This is just an exercise. Don't worry about it being accurate or not. What I want you to do is to take a leap of imagination and start filling this. In the real life, these are all assumptions, and we will do a lot of user interviews, user observations to see whether these assumptions or persona are accurate or precise. And it keeps going. It takes time. We're just playing around for now. Can you stop share, Girish? Is this clear? And I want you to do fairly quickly. Don't waste too much time on this. Okay, because there's something else coming which is similar, but we will take it one at a time. Any questions? Any questions?
We'll just take a poll room-wise, like group-wise, just so that each of the groups are clear. Waste management. Anyone here from that group?
The mural is given in your room. You have to take from what are interviews. You are creating a fictional character.
Who is which group you are asking, sir?
Waste management.
Waste. Are you guys clear? At least one of you are clear. Then you can explain to others.
Yes,
SRM, are you clear?
You stated about how to identify the persona.
Persona, yes.
So
Okay, yeah,
that I could able to
SRM.
understand.
Yeah, SRM. The only thing you have to worry about is this may not have. This is related to the interviews you have done, but it's an imaginary profile. Okay, so you have to go beyond your interview. Got it?
Right. Yes, correct.
Okay. Yeah. The more interviews you have done, the more chances you can get it more precise. Got it?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Room 2 education. Room 2 education.
Room 2 education.
Anyone from the education group?
Can somebody raise your hand just to know if for me to know whether you have got it?
We'll go to third group, rural youth. I think Anita
Yes,
ji
sir.
is
Yes, sir.
your rural youth group, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You understood the exercise, right? Which
Yes, yes, yes.
okay.
Good.
Room 5 agriculture. I think Sushma ji is here.
Yeah, I'm here.
You understood the exercise of this persona map?
Yeah, I got it. But one thing is, I think I don't have any team members. Might be they have some issues because I can see them here, but they are not able to join it in the breakout room.
Shushma, you go ahead and do it.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. With what you're understanding. So your user right now could be a farmer, but it could also be a buyer.
Yes, yes.
Correct? So you can make the profiles. Just take an imagination and do that.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I do.
Have you done any interviews, Shushma?
Yes, yes. With the one former I have did it.
Okay, good. I saw that. I remember now. Okay, perfect. Who was in your group, Shushma?
G.R. Patil sir, Smita ma'am, and Rahul sir. Two Rahul sir was there, but I have not spoken to them. One of them have spoken yesterday. The one more was not active.
Yes, Patil sir.
Yeah, Patil
You are
sir is
there?
here now. Patil sir is here now.
Yeah, I'm here now.
Mhm.
You understood what I said right now about persona?
No, I will consult with Sushma madam because I was having a lecture.
Okay, okay, okay. Fair enough, fair enough. Shushma has understood it. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Energy?
Same thing is with our group. Only I am there.
Okay.
No one else is there to discuss everything. I have interviewed 2 persons.
Have you developed the interview mural?
No, sir, because no one is there to discuss. I
Okay,
have
okay.
talked in between 11 to 11:30. Right now, I have interviewed.
No,
2%.
the interviews, just write whatever you have done on the interview mural first.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. Then do the persona profile. Whom have you interviewed?
I have interviewed one of our alumni who has the
Okay.
owner of Unisolar.
Okay.
He has its own plant, and I have talked with one of the farmer.
Okay. Whom do you want to keep as the profile that you want to develop? Persona that you will person?
I'll develop the persona of farmer, sir, because he has
Okay.
interacted more with me on
Okay.
lot of issues.
Okay, done. Okay.
But-
So go ahead.
No one is there, sir, with me.
Yeah,
I'm
yeah,
down
yeah.
there.
That's okay. I think we'll send somebody. Akanksha or Swastika. Actually, Swastika, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Can you go to this energy room and work with
Energy
Ravindra?
room.
Yeah,
Okay.
because he doesn't have anybody now, but you can help him. First, help him do the interview mural, and then do the persona profile.
Sure,
Okay.
sir. Yeah.
Yeah, I have not got any feedback from education room. Is there anybody in the education room?
So Ratnapasad here from the waste management room.
Yes.
In the interview mural, I was not able to put the name in there, so I think it's locked to enter the name and all that stuff.
I'll just look at that. This is waste management, right?
Yeah. I was able to fill up the questionnaire, the questions and the answers, the responses that I've given, but I was not able to fill up the name and time.
Take it. Fine.
Okay. Education room, is there anybody?
Hello,
Yes, Professor Pawan.
I am here, but there was some exam going on parallel, so I could not hear. That's why, if anyone else knows, I can join from my.
Yeah. Akanksha, can you go to the education room and see if we can help them with what you have to do this? Is to first Professor Pawan, hold on. What you have to first do is record your interviews in the interview mirror. Second is do the persona profile. My God. Okay. Akanksha will take you through it. Not an issue.
Okay.
Girish, 45 minutes.
Yeah, now you should be able to do it, Ratnaprasad ji and Doctor.
Yeah, Girish, I'm doing it. Thank you.
Sure. Now I'll start the breakout rooms, Deepak ji.
Yeah, please.
45 minutes.
Yeah.
45 minutes.
45 minutes. Because you have to complete both the interview and the persona profile.
Yeah.
Deepak sir, who do I have to help? Education room, right?
Education room, yes. I think I just saw Dr. Tripti also coming. So you go there. You be in that room only, Akanksha. Swastika, you are clear, no? Swastika gone? अच्छा कुछ दो स्वस्तिका है क्या गिरीश?
Two swastikas.
क्या खा रहे हो?
Fruits.
क्या? Fruits.
Fruits.
Hi Namit, welcome.
Hi.
Hi Namit.
Hi Girish. I can travel if you want. I can help if you want. I can.
I'll tell you because a lot of the interviews it's complicated. Okay. So we're just getting them to do the persona profile. Okay. Which group is the waste? And a lot of participants are essentially trying to, unfortunately, trying to juggle work and this. So they're coming in, going out, coming in, going out. So that has created a bit of a problem.
Okay.
But having said that, there are some groups are very few people. You know, so I've already sent Akanksha and Swastika to education and energy room. You could go to if you go to the breakout room.
Breakout room number
3, rural youth. I have to introduce yourself. Actually, Girish, you can send a message to everybody saying that Namit is a design thinker and he can help you answer these questions. So, Namit, we have to take them from a persona profile to empathy map.
So they
to
will
a
be,
POV.
So they'll be doing the empathy map right now, or that's later?
Persona profile.
First
Then,
persona profile.
Then in 45 minutes, we get them to do empathy map.
Okay, so they have to make the persona profiles right now, and then they go to the. Okay.
Yes. And remember, a lot of this, because they haven't done too many interviews, it's going to be more a imaginative exercise rather than a research-based exercise.
Observation side. Okay.
Observation भी किया नहीं क्योंकि कोरोना के टाइम में observation कर नहीं पाए ना अपन, तो उन्होंने किया नहीं.
Indirectly, whatever knowledge they have.
Whatever knowledge they have, so it is just taking that, and then we'll have to help them with the empathy map. No?
Perfect.
Okay.